moisture is perfect. Yes, let's start planting the yellows here.
The spacing is exactly right. Look at these yellow seeds.
Yes, the depth is consistent too. The irrigation should start soon.
I found a few aphids on this lower leaf here.
All right, we'll need to monitor that closely. The rest looks strong.
As the time-lapse shows, the yellow watermelon vines rapidly spread across the fertile soil. The fruit quickly swells.
Drip irrigation is essential for drought management. By delivering water directly to the roots, we ensure every...
This one here, the color looks right.
Let me tap it. Yes, it's ready for sure.
That one's ripe, all right.
Oh, yes, the sweetest ones yet.
Pásalo rápido.
Aquí viene.
Uno nomás para la banda.
My grandmother started this farm with nothing but her hands. Now look at these yellow beauties.
We're honored to continue that legacy.
While the early crop shows promise, it's the peak harvest where the yellow watermelon develops its vibrant color and rich flavor. By monitoring the wind and sun, we can ensure the yellow watermelons thrive in this climate.
See how the thermal imaging highlights the cooler spots.
That's exactly where the moisture levels are peaking. We should focus the harvest there.
All the documentation looks correct. The soil samples match the organic criteria.
Perfect. Let's get these certified.
This is our special yellow watermelon. It's packed with vitamins A and C, and it's grown right here.
Wow, it looks so good. Can we try some?
Pull that side tighter, quick. Got it, almost there. Hold it down.
That's the sound of a perfect melon, son.
It's heavier than it looks. You did good. Your grandpa taught you well.
That's the sound of a perfect melon, son.
It's heavier than it looks. You did good. Your grandpa taught you well.
Another season finished.
Yeah, it was a good harvest this year.
Nous opposons. C'est le recours de l'éliminer des infections et le petit ponat de fa. Nous opposons. C'est le recours de l'éliminer des infections et le petit ponat de fa.
Pásalo rápido.
Aquí viene.
Uno nomás para la banda.
Check the pressure on the third conveyor. It seems slightly off.
Rerouting the diagnostics now. The harvest looks good otherwise.
This one is perfect for the crate.
And this one goes to the second pile. We are almost done with this row.
This one is perfect for the crate.
And this one goes to the second pile. We are almost done with this row.
Another season finished.
Yeah, it was a good harvest this year.
This pallet goes to route 4. Make sure it's secure.
That's too high for the quality. I can get it cheaper down the row.
All right, we can discuss a volume discount.
Make sure it's on the truck by 11.
I really like the contrast here. The pink and the green pop against the yellow.
Yeah, and the typography on this one is perfect. Let's move forward with this design.
Okay, mist it lightly on the right side. And flash. Perfect.
We are obsessed with this yellow watermelon. Seriously, it's the best summer snack. Find the link in our bio to get yours now.
This vibrant yellow watermelon is a powerhouse of nutrients. It's especially rich in vitamin A and antioxidants, great for your skin and immunity.
Congratulations, gentlemen, on your outstanding achievement.
Thank you so much. We are truly honored.
The graph shows a slight dip here, but it's within tolerance.
Yeah, the handheld confirms 4 Celsius. We're good to go.
Container secured. Seal matches the manifest. We are good to go.
Temperature is optimal, 3 Celsius. Voilà.
And the quality looks superb. We can clear this shipment.
That's too high for the quality. I can get it cheaper down the row.
All right, we can discuss a volume discount.
Make sure it's on the truck by 11.
Okay, one more layer on this side.
Do you know if these are sweet?
They are. We just cut some samples in aisle 3.
Here, try the yellow watermelon. It's incredibly fresh.
That is wonderful. We will take 3 cups, please.
Coming right up.
Look how yellow that is.
Oh. I know, it looks so refreshing. I can't wait to try it.
Have you ever seen yellow watermelon before? It's beautiful.
It certainly is. Let's try a piece.
That was a long day out in the sun.
It was. But look at this harvest.
Incredible. And this watermelon is the best part.
The bricks levels on this hybrid are exceptional, especially for the G8 variant.
Absolutely. The color stability is holding up well in this environment too.
The bricks levels on this hybrid are exceptional, especially for the G8 variant.
Absolutely. The color stability is holding up well in this environment too.
Congratulations, gentlemen, on your outstanding achievement.
Thank you so much. We are truly honored.
Pink trimmed. The bricks level on this golden variety is unmatched in the industry.
The flavor is excellent.
Pink trimmed. The bricks level on this golden variety is unmatched in the industry.
The flavor is excellent.
A vibrant symbol of a global journey, traveling thousands of miles to arrive here, perfectly ripe, connecting us all.
The flow rate seems stable at 200 units per minute.
Confirmed. The sensor data is logging correctly on the tablet.
The AI identified a grade 2 blemish on this one.
Good catch. Reroute it for processing.
The bricks level is excellent, 12.5%.
Verified. This batch meets the premium standard.
Gridclax. The yields are significantly higher than the control group.
Look at this peak right here. We finally stabilized the enzymes.
Yeah. This.
The temperature logs are up to date. They are following the HACCP plan.
Yes, Inspector, all sanitation certificates are valid as well.
The bricks levels on this hybrid are exceptional, especially for the G8 variant.
Absolutely. The color stability is holding up well in this environment too.